Run back. Okay, there's nothing. We gotta head back to the car.
No!
3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, everybody. Today, me and Jacktherobloxyoutuber are gonna play Roblox with Dusty Trip.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Today's video we are playing.
Dang.
So let's go.
You're cutting out.
Okay, what?
You're cutting out. You sound so quiet for some reason. Come on, Angel, join.
I get my screen is glitchy.
I can't join. Let me join.
That's the
Oh, hurry. Alright.
There we go.
Yeah, my brother's joining. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So, yeah, I'm back after like a week and a
I
half.
know that one glitch. Hold up.
What? Oh, you mean the glitch where you pick up the door and then you start flying? Is that glitch, or is it like a different glitch?
Yeah, I know.
Well,
I'm gonna make my car.
which car are we using? The van or the car in the front?
A fan. It can be the van or the car.
I want to choose the van. I want to do the van. Finally.
Okay, I'm gonna choose the car then. I'm hungry.
I got wheels.
I'm hungry. Tire or wheel?
Whoa, this is like a different.
Hey, my wheels. Is this my wheels?
F.
I think this is my wheels, Adrian. I think.
Yeah, these are the wheels.
Oh,
I guess we're taking the car. Let's go.
Yep, bet.
We're taking the car. They said the van is better.
Another time here.
Give me that.
What?
Give me the. Oh.
I got it.
Grab the door. I got the door. What the heck was that? Oh, I'll replay
There
that
you go.
when in editing.
Wait.
What the heck was that?
No, it's the engine. I'm gonna get the engine, guys.
That was
don't worry.
so weird.
What the heck?
That was so weird.
What happened to?
Hold up. F.
Oh,
there
shoot.
we go. Alright, we're getting somewhere.
I'm getting.
Put the
Actually, you're getting the gas. Getting the gas.
we have to put the engine, so where's the engine? Where's the engine?
Let me in the car.
Where's the engine?
I got it. It's
Oh,
already.
okay.
You're in the car. I get the. Please.
Let me get this cleaner thing.
Yeah?
I'm gonna clean the car.
Yeah, it's rusty, musty, dusty, crusty.
Could I clean
Like
it?
me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the fuel.
It's not working. Maybe we have to put everything on it first.
No, you need the gas.
I know. Hold up. Angel, stop breaking the door. Stop breaking all the doors.
I'm not doing that.
Get.
I want to get in.
No touchy. No touchy yet.
I'm filling the gas.
No touchy. Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm
F. Can I clean?
We need
Let
more
me clean
gas,
the.
guys.
All right. Now we can start driving. Hold up.
I want
Hold up.
to.
Hold up.
We need to add something, guys.
Oh my god. What?
What's up here?
F.
There you go. And we add this.
There's something broken. Hold up.
What?
Oh my, that is literally stuck. Okay, you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna get some food real quick. I'm gonna eat some food.
I'm hungry.
Banana.
Wait, I eat.
Angel, you might die first. Also, here, Angel, here. Eat this onion. Pick it up.
Bro, what the heck? Where's the light?
Click it. Just click it.
Where's the light?
And eat it.
Wait. I guess I'm building the van.
Hold up, wait, hold up. No, wait, I found the lights. I know where the lights are. I found the light.
I'm building the. Yeah, I'm building the van.
Get in the car.
Guys, wait, I'm building the van, alright?
Okay, well, Angel, we're gonna go. Hold up. Let me open the door here. Then come in the car.
I can't.
Angel, come over here.
Get
Come over
home.
here.
No,
Come
you
on.
can't
Okay,
help me.
okay, fine. I'll help you. Hold up.
Hello, guys.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm helping my brother real
I
quick.
want you at the front with Matthew.
Bro, I can't sit at the back. Oh. Tap to sit.
Not it.
Oh, there you go.
No.
Why is it not letting me
Can we
sit?
go now?
You know what? Hold up. Hold up. Let me open. Angel, just leave the door open. I don't care.
He's got
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Are you sure about this?
All right.
Adrian, can I drive next?
About this?
Yeah. Why is the?
I think I know how.
Oh yeah, we need the cooler thing or not. Oh, we got the cooler thing. Everything's good. I don't understand.
Guys, Gabe, close my door.
Hold up.
Close my door.
You can drive the car. I don't even know how to do it.
Okay, bet. Finally, I can drive the car.
Close the door.
Close the. Yep.
All right, guys. All right, there we go.
Go!
All right, guys, here we go. Our trip starts now. It's gonna take a while, so. Anyways, guys, make sure you look in on the shot.
You guys are pressing your seatbelt?
There are no seatbelts.
Wow.
There are no seatbelts in this car, in this Rusty Guessing Mexico car.
You might forget the gas.
You put in the gas. You put in all the gas. I don't think we need any more gas. Go, bro. Careful.
I can't.
Also, be on the lookout for houses. We might need them.
Alright, bet. Oh my god. How do I get?
Back up. Please. Turn. What?
I go back.
Go back, please.
Okay.
Turn. Just go
Yeah,
forward and turn. Just go forward and turn. Just turn. There we go. Yes.
There you go.
Wait, are you playing on? Oh, all right. Now we're on crack.
I'm on.
Okay. Look out for houses. And also hit this thing. Okay, hold up. And to be on the lookout for houses. Don't watch your jet. Don't watch your jet. Bro, there's a rock in the road. Oh my gosh. We just passed that rock. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro. Careful, there's a rock coming up. Rock. Oh, no, it's good. Bro. This is amazing. Make sure to like and subscribe though. And also like and subscribe to Jack. I don't know how. He somehow dodged the rock.
I have 1 subscriber. This is my dad.
But there's a car coming up. There's a house coming up.
Okay.
Hold up.
I saw it. Yep, stop.
Okay, let's get out. Stop.
Oh. There you go.
Alright.
I'm gonna stay in the car.
Until you might die because you're hungry.
Gabe. I'm hungry.
Is there anything? Whoa! There's barely anything here. Yeah, there's nothing in here. There is nothing.
I'm super
Oh, literally that.
There is. Run back. Okay, there's nothing. We gotta head back to the car.
No!
Get into the. Bro! Get out! Get out! No! Our car!
Bye,
What?
No! Hurry! Hurry! Get into the car! Distract him.
I'm dead, guys.
Yo.
How you doing?
Oh, okay.
Get in the car! Get in the car!
What's going
I
on?
can't.
Hurry! Get in! Get in!
Okay.
Close your door. We're out.
Thank you. I survived.
Sorry,
I
guys,
survived the
I'm
last.
dead.
Bro, why is it not working? My car is not driving.
Maybe go swim out there.
Robot, what's the fuck?
Guys, I'm dead. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Me.
Hold up.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's...
Oh,
Bro, get in the front seat. Go in the front seat. Hurry up. Go in the front seat. Exit. Exit. Get in the front seat. Get out. Drive the car. Close the door. Hurry up. Move.
I can't. I died.
Oh my gosh.
I died.
Me and that.
Bro, this is going horrible.
But now you die.
You got
This...
it.
Bro, why is it not letting me draw best cutaway ever? Alright guys, we're back into his server because like, oh my gosh, dang it. I don't know why, when I drive it sucks.
I died.
I can't even move it, like why? It's not working, it sucks. Okay, let's try the van. I'm better with the van, I hope.
Stop.
Let's not use the face.
Okay.
Please.
Bro, oh my gosh. Yeah? Me? Oh my gosh. Hold up, people. I gotta call him back.
Okay, I hear it.
Okay. Alright, people. I'm
Go.
back. It's not. Okay, no. Bro, this game is so annoying. Oh, okay. We're trying the planes. I have never tried this map. Oh gosh, we're cooked. I have never tried this map.
Cool.
Oh gosh. Also, make sure to like and subscribe, even though I already said that like a bit ago. This video might go on for a while. I have never played this map. Okay. There's tires. There's this house. There's this car. I guess we're gonna build this car. Build the car. Hopefully it'll be less problematic. Because this is a problematic. I think it goes to the back.
What get please?
At the place.
How do it?
Click. Come on. Hold up.
What the signal?
Hold up, bruh.
How do I get out?
That's not the right one. There we go.
Oh, okay.
They go on specific sides. Okay.
No, it's right here, right? No, it's not.
Hold up. Nope. That's not it.
Wait, I'm not. Okay. Where's the hood? Where's the hood at? Oh. Adrian got it. I'm
I
gonna fill
got
up the tank. Fill up the tank.
We need the wheels. We need them wheels.
Adrian, my birthday is almost here. It's 3 months. It's gonna be in 3 months.
Huh? Oh, school. Yeah, school. I don't want to go back to school, but we have to. I'm scared.
Adrian, what school are we in now? What class are we in?
It's the same school, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot. We press R. Hold up. Let me eat. Eat an apple. Eat something before we go.
Where's the apple?
It's on the... Hold up.
Not ready. Okay, wait.
Hold up, wait, hold up. Is there anything else?
Let me get.
There's nothing else. Oh, there's the hood. I think bro left.
Who left?
Yeah.
You're back?
Come on, come on. Adrian?
Yeah? You back?
Adrian.
Yeah.
Adrian?
Yeah. What is it?
Adrian? Adrian?
Yeah. What is it? I'm literally talking to you.
Oh, I thought your mic is muted. So.
Oh, well, okay. Well, I got the car running, so let's go.
Hey.
Hold up. Get in the driver's seat. Get in the passenger seat. On the side. Okay.
Tell me if I should drive.
Alright.
Tell me if I should drive now.
Wait, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. I was going the wrong way. Alright. Now we're going the right way. I suck at driving. Alright. Well, this is our first time. This is my first time. I don't know if Matthew or Jack played this before.
Bro, why am I so lagging? Oh, never mind, it's not lagging.
Oh, I got lights. Bad. Making my way to. Oh, there's a shop.
My friend said here.
This is shopping.
There's a shop.
Don't go.
This is shopping.
It's a shop. I have to check out if they have anything. Oh, they got pizza?
Nah.
$45? I don't have that money. Okay, well, I'm heading back. That was a waste.
Oh, I'm driving.
Okay.
Gone, the passenger is gone.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna go try and this again, except we're trying the planes.
Adrian, I swear, don't go to any houses. There's zombies.
I know, but we need resource.
Wait, what the? Adrian! Adrian!
I stopped it. I tried to stop it.
No!
I can't stop it. No! Well, we're gonna have to try again. What the Sigma? Best cutaway ever. Alright guys, we're back in this server for the third time. The first attempt, both of you guys died. My brother and Matthew died. The second attempt, the car was on a runaway and an airplane crashed. This is our third attempt. I'm gonna go for 4 attempts. If the 4 attempts fail, I'm literally not. I don't want to play this game anymore. Join me. Join me in your private server. Hurry up.
Okay, I'm not.
Also, I'm just might gonna have to play by myself.
No.
I know. This is so annoying. Holy shoot, my ow. My cheeks hurt from smiling so much. Jandal's Burgers. Lose hunger 2 times slow with the purchase of the delicious double stomach game pass.
Okay, I'm rejoining.
This game sucks. It's good, but it sucks.
Where's your mic?
My mic is in front of me. It's right here. I am speaking so loud. My viewers are probably gonna get ear problems or something. I don't know.
I mean voice chat.
You need voice chat? Okay, let's just go. Just go. Come, follow me. Hurry up. Please. We're gonna try the planes again. We're gonna try this again.
Okay. If we lose, we're just gonna play
Oh wow,
bear.
you sound a lot better.
We're gonna play bear after this.
Okay, now you sound bad. You sound good, then you sound bad. I don't know. I guess we're gonna play bear after this video.
Can I play bear with you?
Yes, you can. There's a new update going on. There's a new event going on, so I guess we can. I already got.
How far are you?
There we go.
Adrian?
Yeah?
I'll get some gas. Hold up.
You need the gas?
Yeah.
Wait, did you just take the gas from me? Oh no, wait, that's from a different. Okay, please get that. Bada bing, bada boom.
Get up.
Place that.
Yeah?
Go when you're ready.
Huh?
Don't go when you're ready, okay? Cause I'm still.
Chicky
Okay.
waka lumi lama lu 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 su chibi chapa lumi lama lu 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 chibi chapa lumi lama lu lu.
Huh. Wait. Oh, no, never mind. Oh my gosh, God.
Hey,
Hold up.
what the Sigma?
Okay, I don't have a bunch of gas, which is not good.
Wait. Where's the engine for this? What the Sigma? Oh!
I need 7 ounce. I need more gas. I need more gas.
Dang, I feel bad.
Did you just take my gas? You took my gas.
No.
You literally took my gas. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, I'm just gonna ride with you. I'm just gonna ride with you. Wait, do you got an engine in here? No, wait. No, you don't got it. Oh, hold up. Yep. We're gonna just use your car. We're gonna use your car.
Hey,
Hi.
I need.
I know you need it. Hold up. Just let me have this.
Nope, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
You have to go inside the van. It has to be inside. Hold up. There we go. We good? We good.
No, not yet. Wait. Try driving it. Start the engine. Okay, I need the wood thing. Okay, I'll drive.
Hold up. Wait, there's something blocking the way. Hold up. Let me get that out of the way. Get some of these things out of the way.
Oh, is this where?
Okay, well, drive the car. Hurry up, we don't got out all day. All day. Hey.
What the? Why am I out?
I don't know. Close your door. Okay, there you go. Now, here we go. Make sure to like and subscribe for the 3rd time. Also, we're going the wrong way. It's to the right, not the left.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We can fill the gas.
Can I drive it? Can I drive the car?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Bruh.
Help! I'm stuck.
I guess you're gonna be
No!
stuck.
I'm so stuck. I swear I'm stuck. Okay. Wait, Adrian, wait. I'm gonna fill up the gas more. Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is the worst. This game sucks, but this is taking so long. Can you get in the car, please? Get in the car, please.
Oh shoot.
Hurry up.
Hey.
We don't
Oh
gotta.
shoot, what the?
Get in the car. Just get in the car.
I'm tapping the seat. I'm tapping the seat. It doesn't work.
Bro, the engine. What did you do? You took out the engine.
Probably.
Gosh. It's okay. There we go.
You're the wrong way. You're the wrong way.
Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. I don't know what you're talking about. I was totally going the right way.
Yeah, silly girl.
What?
God is good.
Oh, there's a house! But is it a shop?
No, don't go there. Don't
Is it a shop? Is it a shop?
No, we ain't going. We ain't. No, we ain't.
It's urgent. It's urgent. We need to get resources. We need to get as much resources as we can.
We need to get gas. Adrian, if you saw, I told you.
Guys! There's stuff in here. There's stuff in here. There's stuff in here. There's stuff in here. There's also this big guy. Bro, I can't. Bro, come in here. Come in here. Help me. What am I supposed to do with this?
What is that?
It's a house.
Oh.
Also, there's food in here. There's food in here.
What?
I ate food. I'm killing this buff guy. This is gonna take a really long process.
Okay, I'm getting the items. Why are you attacking that zombie guy? Oh, just go in there.
Oh my gosh, he's almost dead. Oh, I killed him.
What?
I killed the guy. I killed the guy. Get.
Oh, money. Let's go. Okay, let's talk to me. Turning green light.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm toxic.
Toxic waste.
Yeah, I have toxic waste.
Damn.
Bro, you're
getting the
toxic.
radio.
We're both toxic. I don't mean like the rude way. I mean like. I mean that we're literally toxic. Also found some cool sunglasses and his helmet. Alright, well, we found some stuff. Let's just go on the road now. Let's head on the road. Let me drive. I'm better at driving. I'm good at driving. Bro!
We can't jump.
This car was on this entire time. That's not good. Yeah, there's just a dead body. Don't mind that.
Where's the dead body?
It's beside you. And we just drove past
Oh.
it.
Bruh, you killed him.
Yeah. He was killing me, so I had to kill him. And we're both toxic.
Wait. Pause. Slow down.
Yo, what is it?
Okay. Wait, I think I can...
Hurry up! Bro, an airplane just crashed. I took so much damage. I took so much damage.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Bro, an airplane just hit me. You're lucky you were in this car. Because an airplane just hit me and I took so much damage. Well, we gotta hurry. The sun's setting down.
No, this is not good. I have to drive.
This is gonna be a really long video for my channel.
I know.
How? Just sit in the back. Sit in the back. I'm too lazy to stop the car. Sit in the back.
I am in the back.
Well, sit somewhere. We're almost low out of gas. We're halfway through our gas thing. We need more gas. And that means we have to break into people's houses at night.
Well, we have low health.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure.
We have low.
What?
You literally have low health.
I don't know what you're saying. Your mic is really low.
You literally have low health.
I'm literally what? Oh, there's a house.
Hi.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Sorry, you keep cutting out for some reason.
Adrian, you're leaving.
I'm sorry. Oh, there's a buff person.
Adrian, you're leaving me. No.
I'm sorry. Hurry up. Wait, why is it green? Why is the sky green?
I did that. Oh! Oh, it's you.
Wait, there's stuff inside of here. There's food.
Adrian,
Here.
no. I'm dying.
Oh shoot! Is it like an acid rain or something?
Yeah, it is. I'm dying, no!
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yep.
I'm sorry. But to gather as much resources as I can. It's an acid. That's
You have football?
not a lot though, sadly. I'm sorry.
Honey.
I'm sorry. I'm packing stuff up. I'm packing
Oh
some
my god.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know an acid. Wait. This is gas. Yo, this is good. This is good gas. What up?
Lucky you, I guess.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know. Oh, there's a sword. I need this. Oh, you serious?
I'm playing football.
Okay.
Adrian?
Yeah?
I'll play something else, okay?
Okay.
Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes! Teleport forest.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, no way! No, get tripping. No. Wait, does everybody hear me?
Yeah, everyone hears you.
Oh no.
Okay, we got gas.
Drift paradise. Adrian, what game? Oh, you're still playing it. Yeah.
I forgot how to drop an item. How do you drop an item? Oh yeah. F. Alright, well, I'm gonna start driving again. I accidentally killed my friend.
But I have to drift again. Adrian! Adrian!
Oh yeah?
Your mic is kind of coming off.
What's wrong?
Adrian?
Yeah?
Never mind.
Oh, we need.
You still alive?
Yeah, I'm still alive.
No, just kidding.
Okay, well, that's it for this video, I guess. I mean, my car's stuck. Stranded, so. Bye.
You died, right?
But no, I'm just stranded. Bye, guys.